Hey guys, today I will show you how to watch Dota 2 replay. Watching replays helps you review mistakes, learn matchups, and improve decision making. First, open Dota 2. Click the Watch tab, then select Replays. Here you can find replays of your saved replays, your friends' matches, or popular tournament matches. Find the match you want to watch and click Watch Replay. If the replay is available, click Download. Once loaded, you can pause, rewind, change camera modes, and switch player perspectives. Quick tip, slow the replay speed during fights to clearly see positioning and spell usage. And that's how to watch Dota 2 replay. Thank you so much for watching.